In this year, we'll be looking at loops. Now, loops are really important for repeating tasks that happen over and over again. You should be using in your code as it prevents from unnecessary clutter and makes your code easy to maintain. So what we're going to do is we're going to loop the agent to move forward instead of having to program it more than once. So we go C, and then our loops are available inside the green loops menu. And the loops we'll be looking at today is the repeat block. So if we drag the repeat block out, anything inside the repeat block is going to be repeated the number of times inside there. So if I go into here and I put down, say, 10 times, and then I change the action inside the agent to move forward, then it's going to perform this action 10 times. So press play, and it moves forward 10 times. Now, we'll be looking at using the repeat block in more detail in other videos, such as the next one, but you should be using both the repeat block and other advanced blocks to make your code much more efficient and easy to use.